Hey guys, this is the Honeywell PX940 printer. This is the only printer in the industry that has an integrated verifier to make absolutely sure that every label it prints is readable and complies with any agency or customer requirements that you have to keep you in business. You get a lot of issues where printers may print a bad label. I had one of these myself from a customer called me in, and their complaint was that our scanners weren't reading their barcodes, and they had a warehouse full of these things, and they wanted to know what we could do to help them. When we came in and inspected their barcodes, we found out that a small line was bisecting one of these little black barcode tabs. Well, I changed it, and it was no longer readable, but they now had a warehouse full of these because it wasn't immediately visible like we see this area here. This is an example of a failed barcode that came through our verifier. You see here we're printing barcode number 231. Right after that we print 232, which you can see obviously has some flaws. The machine catches that and automatically reprints another 232 label to keep us in sync with our sequence. You can buy a verifier for some other printer, but it's going to be external. It's going to cost you a lot more money. So if you want it all in one package, this is the only option for you, the Honeywell PX940.